Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I get lost and use my 11 out of 10 skills to navigate myself home again. Cue the intro.
Let's set the scene, because it's an important one. You've been at a business meeting. It's a global crisis. You've had to rectify it. There's a talk of them putting up the cost of pie globally, and you've had to go and put your points across. And of course, they're important points. They are. It's a nutritious diet that the entire country needs, the world needs. Without pie, we'd all be so skinny that they'd have no extra small clothes left. And then of course, without a shadow of a doubt, if the cost of pie does increase, there will be riots throughout the streets. And to get to that important meeting, you've used your trusty phone sat-nav. But unfortunately, during the meeting, because you're so popular, your phone has not stopped going off. And that basically has flattened your battery. You get back on your bike, you believe you know the way back, and you start heading out. And you think, I need to head across country because the main roads are just too dangerous. So you head across the country. As you're going along, you think, I don't recognise any of this route. I don't know what to do, and I'm lost. So the decisions are there. And of course you start with the first logical thing. If I keep turning left, what will happen is I'll get back to the main road and be able to figure my way home. So of course, you turn left. After many left turns later, you realise you've been going round in a circle for an hour of awesome countryside. And of course you don't have any fun turning left and just riding through the country because you're so concerned about getting back home again. Power! And then, after doing this for a good hour, I realised, not enjoying myself, that I was going around in a big circle. And I was like, no, I've done this road of beautifulness and I'm worried now because I'm so lost in not enjoying myself. The best thing to do, but of course the logical thing to do, was to turn right. Obviously it's turn right because that's the right thing to do. Left was obviously the wrong, right and right go together. So I set off again, not enjoying it. No, not at all.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you.
Many hours later, after turning right, it was quite quick that it apparently came to me. I was again going round in circles. I was enjoying it. I mean, I wasn't enjoying it. I was getting more concerned. So it came to me at last. There's only one more thing I can do. Go straight. If I just keep going straight, eventually I'll go around the world and I'll recognise somewhere that looks nice and I'll live there. And that is a great plan. So I thought, power and go. Power and go.
Could we ever, ever change this song into something beautiful, like the beauty that we've seen? I'm asking you, lover, why do you have to be so mean?
Okay, so you're lost, unfortunately, not on purpose at all in any way. In a beautiful part of the country, you don't know where you are, your phone is flat, you don't carry around the AA huge massive map with you everywhere you go. Now, of course, there's only one thing to do, and that's do what all true adventurers do. They look up at the stars and follow the North Star home. Well, it's not dark, so that didn't work, unfortunately. So we'll do what they do next. They feel the ground, and they just know from the touch. Okay, that just felt a bit wet and damp to me, and I haven't really got a clue. So I suppose there's only one last thing to do, because we all carry a £1,000 drone in our rucksacks. Let's send up the drone, because of course that will show us where to go and which way is home and which way is back to the main road. And in no way would I put up in a beautiful place to film something very scenic. Okay, so I haven't wasted hours and hours for that short ride home just trying to find out where I am. Of course not. I've not enjoyed the ride. I've been hugely concerned and worried about where I'm going to end up the whole time. No doubt, no shadow whatsoever. So I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way, unfortunately, and know which way it is. All you need to do, lick your finger, hold it up to the wind, and I know it's that way.
Well, there you go. After many hours and many tests that you saw there, we finally figured it out. Spit on your finger, hold it up, and the wind will tell you where to go. And of course, this has been proven by many big teams of scientists looking at test tubes and things. And of course, hasn't been made up in any way and not proven or guaranteed. But just follow that advice and you'll be absolutely fine. And then of course, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and that bell button. I do appreciate every single person that joins our amazing Helmet Head team. Saying that, the people that support this channel, the patrons, thank you so much, guys. If you're interested in supporting it, please click on the link below, sign up to Patreon. You get to see the videos first, you get all this direct communication and things as well before anyone else. So thank you, I really do appreciate that. Please check it out, their names are in the credits. Also, there's the Helmet Head merchandise where you can buy a t-shirt that makes you look slim and muscly like me. And there's all sorts in there, like the mug that tastes 10 zillion times better than anything else. Again, not proven guaranteed in any way. Had a vote on it and it did win, it was me, and it was definitely proven. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. The most important thing right now, of course, are the three most important things in life, the gospel of life, and that's eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next crazy adventure on Helmet Head. Bye bye for now.